Hello, good morning. My name is Anna Ratzenbury from Musical Babies, and today I'm going to show you how to make traditional American almond butter. You probably know peanut butter. It comes in a jar and you buy it in a shop, but you can also make it yourself. You can make peanut butter yourself, but I'm going to show you a healthy option, almond butter, which is very easy, and all you need is almonds, a little bit of salt and a food processor, nothing else. So let's start. If you want to make almond butter, you need a tray, baking tray filled with almonds, about 450 grams, okay, and a little bit of salt. But in the same way, you can make peanut butter. So these are peanuts, which you need to peel. Okay, so these are fresh, peanuts. Okay, so you need to fill the tray with them. Or also, sometimes I also do almond butter plus cashew nuts or plus hazelnuts or any other nuts. It's good fun. But all you need to do is to have some nuts, either just almonds, just peanuts, or a mixture, and a little bit of salt and a food processor. Okay, so you need to be a little bit patient with it, but really it's quite quick. So I need to roast the almonds a little bit in the oven. Okay, so I've put the oven to 200 degrees and top oven. So I'm going to roast my almonds for about 15 to 20 minutes. So you can see when they're ready, because they can't be very dark, of course, because they will burn, but just enough. But remember, the oven is very hot, so ask your mommy or daddy to help you. Right, I've got my almonds ready here. They are roasted and they are quite hot, so you have to be very careful. Ask your mommy and daddy to help you. I've got the food processor, I've got some salt, and I've got a spatula to take it out and also to mix it, and a jar to put the ready almond butter in. So let's start. I'm going to put all the almonds into the food processor. So, remember, this is very hot, so ask your mommy or daddy. Okay. So, I've got all my almonds in there, and I'm going to put a little bit of salt and start mixing. So every now and then I'm going to stop and stir. Okay, so let's start. So I've been mixing for about 2 minutes, and this is what it looks like now. You see, so it's already ground, and I'm just going to mix it from the sides, and it's hot, but making it, roasting the nuts helps it to release the oils, natural oils, so you don't need any other oil. And then again. As you can see, after a few minutes, it's all on the sides. So I need to just mix it in again and be patient, okay? Because it looks as if it's not yet the butter, but I'm sure that it will happen. So after about 7 to 8 minutes, you are starting to have a nice consistency of a paste, you see? So the almond butter is much closer, but we need to do it a little bit more. So it has taken me 10 minutes and this is my almond butter. Now it's gonna go slop. Okay, so are you ready? Okay. There you go. Nice almond butter.